I made $200 from just posting on Snapchat, and this is how I did it. I'm not those BS people that tell you, yeah, Snapchat this, Snapchat that. Snapchat money is very hard to come by. Yes, it's extremely hard. So don't sit back and be like, oh, I'll just post on Snapchat and make money. You will not post on Snapchat and make money so fast because it is extremely hard to make money on Snapchat. It is programmed to be hard. So just calm down on this. Let me explain for you. So Snapchat has this what they call story and Spotify and Spotlight, not Spotify. Spotlight. Let me tell you the honest truth. For you to make money on Spotlight, you have to actually have over 100,000 subscribers, and that's a lot for someone like you and I that's trying to make like quick money here on social media or just online entirely. So if I'm to advise you, I'd like you should go for making stories into just making spotlights, right? I make money from Spotlight. That doesn't mean you have to make money from Spotlight. You get what I'm saying? So Spotlight is extremely high for you to make money on Spotlight because it's overcrowded and oversaturated to an extent, right? And Spotlight is mostly for visibility. For my own point of view, Spotlight is mostly for visibility, just to be viral and people know you and all that. You get what I'm saying? So if you want to make money from Snapchat, I invite you to go to the story part. Let me explain how that one works. For you to get money and be monetized entirely, that's being a country that is monetized. So go to Snapchat and ask the AI the country that are monetized. So you look for your country there, and that's the first step. Second step is for you to actually have up to 50k subscribers. If you don't have up to 50k subscribers, you have a 20k or 30k. That way you are sure of having at least 2,000 views or 3,000 views. Then the third step is go ahead and buy the Snapchat badge. Like buy the badge, buy the creator's badge and be extremely active. Then you request for the actual Snapchat badge. That actual Snapchat badge will be eligible to put ads in between your snaps. That way it is actually easier for you to make money here on Snapchat. Then when you get verified, all I would advise you to do is just to start promoting your Snapchat account, your stories on the explore page, so that those that your followers and non-followers can see your snap. So this is actually how you Snapchat will pay you coins on Snapchat. All you have to do is just post a long stories, put your vlogs, post your day in my life, post what I eat in a day, vlogs on Snapchat, and you make money on Snapchat. As easy as that, but it's not easy because the numbers are actually very, very hard to get. Let me also explain that part very, very well. Snapchat is bringing in a feature whereby they want people to come from TikTok, they want people to come from Facebook, they want people to come from YouTube, they want people to come from Twitter into their own app, and that's what every app is looking out for. That's why they want you to start posting your long vlogs. Let me explain. If you go to all those celebrities on Snapchat and you talk on their Snapchat stories and you watch consistently, like you don't watch and go away or watch and go away, right? You watch consistently, you see that there are adverts in between, like Coca-Cola advert, Spotify ad, Dodo Pizza or anything. Like they attach adverts in between those snaps, right? And that's how you're able to make money as a creator. And Snapchat's advice is, putting out an advert where they want you can actually make over $100 per day if you're able to gather as much as possible views on Snapchat. Like I always tell everybody on my YouTube, once you're doing well in a social media app, the app will obviously push you out. If you have potentials and you're doing well and people are actually engaging and watching you, they will put you out on the explore page. They'll put you out on the for you page. They'll put you out on explore whatever page for you to be seen by a lot of people. The same thing happens here on YouTube. If your videos are educative and entertaining and is valuable and people are watching extremely, like at least half of the video, YouTube will keep pushing that video out to more and more people. Same thing applies to Snapchat. If you keep posting every day, you show up every day, you do your snap every day, you do your stories every day, there is no how you will not go viral on Snapchat, and there's no how you will not make money on Snapchat. Another thing I want to advise you is that you have to be very, very careful of the things you post, like your policies. So take your time and go to the Snapchat policy community guideline and read through line to line to line to line, line for line. Read properly because Snap is always quick to block your accounts. It's very, very real. This is the most real video you watch about making money on Snapchat. They will block your account in like days, like split seconds, your account is being blocked. And you will not even be able to say anything about it to an extent. You can't even really appeal because there's no like support system standing by for you to appeal. I don't think it actually works like that on Snapchat. So if I'm to advise you, read the policies very well, go to the community guidelines very well, and be sure that you're doing the right thing at the right time. So that way you're not falling into any trap of getting demonetized or getting blocked. Because getting blocked and losing over 10k subscribers or 50k subscribers is like starting from zero, and your money will go back to the default setting because obviously you cannot enter your bank account without you actually being active on Snapchat. So yes, this is all you have to do, or how you have to know to make money on Snapchat. If you want to watch an extremely, like if you actually explains more detailed, check my page and look for my Snapchat playlists where I wrote Snapchat is booming, and go there and binge watch about Snapchat so you can get a bit more insight on what I'm talking about, because Snapchat actually pays a lot of money. But Spotify, or I was saying Spotify, Spotlight is not going to pay you that much money because it's more of a publicity platform. It's for the rich getting richer, or like for the celebrities getting more popular. Do you get? For so me and you, I would advise you to move to your stories. Be very, very creative what you put on your stories. Like the day of my life as a college student, what I do in a day, what I do to lose weight, what I eat in a day to lose weight or to maintain being snatched. These are things you have to actually post, so you can get the audience sticking around, watching, so they can watch your adverts in between, so they can watch the next snap. Do you get what I'm saying? So this is all you have to know about Snapchat, and this is the most quick and most real content you have to see on how to make money on Snapchat. And that's all you have to do for me, which is just to like and subscribe and drop a comment. And I'll see you guys on a different video. Yeah, so see you guys in a different video. Do well to like and do well to subscribe and drop a comment for me, and I'll see you guys on another video.